Avathon government provides a use of AI to extend the infrastructure and to extend the life of critical assets. On the government side, that's contributing to critical assets for our defense and defense readiness.
Almost every project translates into mission readiness and national safety at large. It's been hugely rewarding.
It's important that the government and defense sector utilize and invest in AI because we can't afford not to.
I don't think we've tapped even remotely close to the full ability of AI to help with specifically the extension of the life of infrastructure and operational readiness.
There's a big level of intentionality behind delivering and curating an actual custom product.
You know, one day you're working on video streams, the next day you're working on graph data. It's really diverse and it stays interesting.
We have proven dual-use technology, and that gets thrown around more often these days, but ours is real.
We've been doing AI for about 13 years now, and the founders were doing AI long before that. So we've seen what works and what doesn't work.
Having those proof points with commercial and then taking that to DoD makes it a lot easier for new technologies to start breaking into the DoD space.
The commercial work that's been done for years when it comes to the distribution of critical supplies is going to really help the military in its planning and execution of logistics in a crisis or in a contested environment. That really excites me to help the nation do that.
You have a responsibility to make sure what you're building is not going to be misused. Being more conscious and intentional about it is pretty key.
Safeguarding the data is a big component, making sure that we do follow all of the applicable rules and regulations.
We're not just responding to an RFP and it's a one-time transactional relationship. We actually want to be a partner with you for the long term, and that's how we're going to really differentiate ourselves.
We are not in the business of selling AI, but rather solving the problems using AI tools that may not be available to our customers elsewhere.
The ability of artificial intelligence to help decision makers, not just in the planning, but in the execution when things have to be dynamically retasked or replanned while in progress, is going to give us a decisive edge.
It's not just AI and data science you need to have understanding of. You need to have understanding of physics, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering. So we're bringing all those disciplines together.
Whether it's program managers or other engineers or data scientists, you have to draw on each other's expertise and knowledge to be able to move any project forward.
We have a great group of core people that have been doing this a long time. They've come from many different sectors to fulfill this one mission.
For someone thinking about coming on board, you're gonna have a lot of agency. If you're someone who is ready to make it what you want it to be, you're gonna have a lot of room to do that.
If you do want to make an impact while having fun and truly learning something new every single day, Avathon Government is the place to be.
And that's what really drives me, based on my career in the military, knowing that we can keep our nation ready to defend itself and hopefully never have to defend itself because we demonstrated technological capabilities that are just going to simply outmatch whoever comes against us.